The Marinetown privacy door latch with hook was designed specifically for use on curved head and cabin doors to prevent unintentional opening while underway in rough seas, taking an already great product and making it even better. The upgraded design incorporates a hook that engages with the hooked strike, which comes packaged with 2 shims for minor adjustments during installation. The hooked strike is sold separately, however, because not everyone will need this capability. The privacy door latch also features an ergonomic lever handle, an adjustable slide for door gap variances, and keyed lock for privacy and peace of mind.